Good morning, children. So, today our topic of discussion is the exercise that is provided with the story that we have just completed a certain part called When I Was 12. It is provided beforehand so that after completing the chapter, the text, immediately you can go for the exercise. And beyond exercise, we have to do certain other things that we'll tell you later. First, you have a look at this one. The first that is asked here, that is words to know. Words to know. First, it is given formidable. Then caricature, listening. What are provided here are all called word meaning. These are meanings. But what we write during the class, those are synonyms. Okay, meaning comes in phrase or a sentence, while we provide synonym, it should be one word substitution. So there is certain differences, and sometimes we avoid exact dictionary meaning. In that case, certain problem may occur. So first of your exercises that starts with true and false. The narrator as a child found his arithmetic teacher nasty because A, according to him, all teachers were nasty. B, he found it difficult to understand the subject. C, he seemed to have no feelings for other and was only interested in his subject. And D, he hated the homework given by him. So among these four, I think what actually is that is C is correct. Okay, now no, first one is give the tick mark. Two false will come later. So you can see. He seemed to have no feelings for other, and was only interested in his subject. That man was formidable, very strong character. Question number 2. When the narrator was caught by the arithmetic teacher sketching him, he was seated in the first row, third row, last row, and safely in the middle row. As we know, as in the picture it is provided, he was sitting in the last row. It is written in text also, second page. Here we go, moving to the next part. Now the next question, that is, it became the narrator's hobby to like human figures, to imitate objects or animal after. He deliberately drew the face of a tiger when drawing his hated teacher. He, without realizing, actually drew the face of a tiger when drawing his hated teacher. He was appreciated. He was scolded. So out of this one you have to select. Now it is the second one. He, without realizing the fact, Potterman actually drew the face of a tiger when drawing his hated teacher. So the character of the teacher and the face of tiger, it matched, and it was a coincidence. The narrator realizes that his chosen field of art can irritate and annoy people, needs a lots of practice, was a fun activity, involves sketching all kind of creatures. So it should be A. It may irritate anyone. The last of this particular lot, and that is the much respected cook refused to oblige the family as he was already committed elsewhere. He was too arrogant to cook for them. He hated cooking for wedding. He felt insulted by the laughter that followed as a reaction to the narrator's caricature of him. So it should be the fourth one. Means D. That is correct. So you can slow down the video, you can forward and backward this one to have proper view of these things. As I am reading all these sentences properly, while you should also read these things while writing the correct one. Okay, marking the correct one. One thing I will not do, that is the exercises. Why? Exercises I will provide you the hints and I will speak that one. I will not give you the written format of answer. And why, I am going to tell you soon. State whether the following sentences are true or false. Most teachers in Kannada municipal schools were not good. This is a false statement because it is written all the teachers are good except few. Next one. Next it is provided the narrator's cartoon. No one was spared. It is true only. So I will be writing T for here. The entire reputation of a wedding in South India is dependent on the cook employed for the wedding. It is obviously true as it is mentioned. And next it is written, the angry cook relented to give in quickly to requests made to him. It is false. He did not give in. He protested. He ran away from that ceremony. And last one, the narrator's talent was much appreciated by his parents. It is going to be true. Because it is for parents only, he ultimately grew up to a successful cartoonist. Now we have come to the exercise part. Here we have exactly 5 questions. Now first day, what I'll do, I'll give you the answer verbally. I'll not write. Okay. It is not that much hard to provide the written answer. We can send you via PDF or you can write here in video only. But why it will not be done? Here I am telling you. You will not be provided with written answer for this reason. Number 1, it must be prepared by you. It must be prepared by you means by the students. Number 2, there should not be any copy and paste. Should not be copy and paste method. There should not be any copy and paste method. Second thing that you have to follow. And third thing, you have to learn the habit of making your own answer. You have to get the habit. So what did I speak about the third one? That there should not be like that. You will memorize the answer and you will write in exam paper. This one is solely, I will be speaking this one, I will give the answer verbally, points verbally. You have to write by your own and this will be kept solely as homework. Okay. Because I want to see that you are writing your answer by your own. Because when you grow up, you will go to higher classes, that time you will not be provided with ready-made answers. What will be provided? That is, you have to prepare your answer, make your answer, write your answer by your own. So that should be developed. So one habit to be habit of writing. That should be cultivated. The habit of writing your own. Okay. So these are the certain reason for what I will not be providing you with. So here comes the first question. What prevented the narrator and his classmate from getting the hang of simple calculation? Now, students felt that what happened? The arithmetic teacher was of such rude attitude, such vinegar behavior, that the students felt that even if they had got right answer, they would be beaten, and that feeling prevented the narrator and his classmate from getting the hang of simple calculation. So what? If they write correct, wrong, they will obviously be beaten. If they write correct also, there is a chance of being beaten by the teacher. That is why the students often used to commit mistakes. So here I am going to repeat the answer. The arithmetic teacher was of such rude attitude that the students felt that even if they had got right answer, they would be mercilessly beaten by the teacher. And that feeling prevented the narrator and his classmate from getting the hang of simple calculation. Next, here comes question number 2. Comparatively easier than the first one. Why did the monster twist the narrators here? Who is the monster here? The arithmetic teacher is considered as monster here. Why did you do that? The monster, that means the monster was the arithmetic teacher. First you have to mention that one. If you don't mention, that is going to be a negative point of your part. So what should you write? The monster was the arithmetic teacher who found the narrator drawing his caricature and twisted his ear. So here I am repeating the answer. The monster was the arithmetic teacher who found the narrator was drawing his caricature, and for that reason he twisted his ear. Now question number 3. Why did a Cadillac that belonged to one of the Maharajas of Mysore look like a prince to the narrator? I told you that Cadillac is the famous brand of car, so we can say costly car. So here is the answer. The narrator used his imaginative power. What type of power? Imaginative power. To convert a living object into a non-living figure, or a non-living figure into a living figure. Okay. So that is why the Cadillac that belonged to one of the Maharajas of Mysore looked like a prince to the narrator. So here is the repetition of the answer. The narrator used his imaginative power to convert a living object or living figure into a non-living one, and at the same time he can convert a non-living figure into a living one. Okay, full stop. Living one. Therefore, the Cadillac that belonged to one of the Maharajas of Mysore looked like a prince to the narrator. So, next question is question number 4. Little longer maybe. Now, why did the member of the family, including those in distinguished service, run after the cook? Answer is the narrator. Why did they run after? The cook ran away, na? So, let us see why. The narrator drew the caricature of the cook, and for that he felt humiliated and enraged. The narrator drew the caricature or the cartoon of that cook, and that made the cook feel humiliated, insulted, and enraged, means angry. Full stop. You will write. Then what will you be writing? Therefore he decided not to cook for the marriage. So the members of the family, including those in the distinguished service, ran after the cook. Next is question number 5. How did a piece of chalk change the development of the narrator's life forever? This is not directly written in your book, so you can directly take the text from the book and paste it here. How did a piece of chalk change or develop the narrator's life forever? In the later part of his life, the narrator became a professional and a famous cartoonist. So when the narrator grew up, he became a famous and a professional cartoonist. It all started when he was only 3 and gifted with a chalk. It all started, he was only 3 and gifted with a chalk. Okay, so a piece of chalk changed the narrator's life forever. So here we have these questions done. After that we will have a set of questions. These are called extract based questions. Just look at the first one. You can see one extract is provided, and then certain question A, B, C, D, E are asked. Now this one we will do in the next video. This one we will perform in the next video. Okay. So what you should do, by the time you just prepare whatever is done. Next video means in next class, or maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow you will get the video. It will be uploaded soon and you will get it in your app. So thank you children. Prepare these questions.